Welcome to this video on understanding the Angular architecture and the Angular CLI project structure. Angular is a powerful web application framework that follows a modular architecture. Let's explore its key building blocks. First, we have modules. Modules are used to organize the application into functional units. Each module serves a specific purpose, making the application more manageable and scalable. Next, we have components. Components are the main UI building blocks in Angular. They encapsulate templates, styles, and behavior, creating reusable and self-contained units. Templates define the structure and layout of a component's view. Using Angular's template syntax, you can easily bind data, handle events, and render dynamic content. Services provide reusable logic and functionality. They are used to share data and business logic across different parts of the application. Directives extend HTML with additional behavior and functionality. Angular has built-in directives like ng, ngf, and ng4, and you can create custom directives to meet specific requirements. Dependency injection is a powerful feature in Angular that helps manage dependencies between different parts of the application. It promotes loose coupling and makes components and services more reusable and testable. Now, let's dive into the Angular CLI project structure. When you create an Angular project using the Angular CLI, it generates a specific project structure. Let's explore its key directories and files. The src trap directory is where you'll spend most of your time. It contains components, services, modules, and other files specific to your application's logic. The crc directory stores static files like images and fonts that your application uses. The CSSAs, where you can define global styles that apply to your entire application. The Angular.json file is the configuration file for your Angular CLI project. It contains settings related to build and development processes, such as file paths and environment configurations. The say package JSON file contains metadata about your project, as well as the list of dependencies and scripts required for building, testing. The EZZEWE JSON file specifies the TypeScript compiler options for this nodule's directory contains all the third-party libraries and dependencies required by your application. Finally, the IDS directory is generated when you build your application using the Angular CLI. It contains the compiled and optimized version of your application ready for deployment. Understanding the Angular architecture and the Angular CLI project structure is essential for organizing your code effectively and leveraging Angular's features and conventions.